How to use Sainsbury e-gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to use a Sainsbury e-gift card. So to use your Sainsbury e-gift card, you just have to follow the simple steps. Now, e-gift card can be used to purchase product in Sainsbury's, including tea, clothing, and homeware, as well as Sainsbury's coffee shop. It can be redeemed online, and you could also use it. So, as per the redemption in store, e-gift card can be redeemed from a smartphone device or printed and taken in store. Product exclusions apply. Now, after each use in store, any remaining balances on the e-gift card will be printed on the recipient. The recipient's responsibility to retain the receipt as evidence of their outstanding balance. Now, there is no limit to the number of e-gift card that can be used per transaction, but e-gift card cannot exceed for up to total of $250. Likewise, if you want to use redemption at www.sainsbury.co, you could go and read out this following information. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.